Morning everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really cozy morning clean with me. So I'm just going to do my morning cleaning routine. Victor is just off at school this morning. My husband did the school drop off. I got ready in the meantime and now I'm gonna get on with some cleaning. So I'm just gonna go around the house and basically tidy every room. So on my list I've got tidying the living room, which you can't see but it's full of toys and things. So I'm gonna tidy up in here. Then I've got the kitchen to tidy, bedrooms, like make beds, tidy everything like that. So we'll see how much we can get on, but I'm gonna do a really cozy one today. So I hope you enjoyed this and I hope you enjoy coming along with me today. Okay Google, play my Spotify playlist called Cozy.
Sure, here's your Spotify playlist called Cozy Fallen Leaf.
Sun's coming up like the day before. You're like a stone on my pillow. I don't make a sound when I shut the door. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Yeah. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. I'll get the wine and the corkscrew. You don't have to do one single thing. You don't know how much I want you. Just looking at you makes my whole world spin. You don't have to wake up yet. We can spend all day in bed. I'll put the TV in the room. We'll have a Netflix marathon, Kenny G saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed. Saxophone. We'll order in a bunch of food. I'll put your favorite music on all the way baritone. Shut the lights, go infrared. We can spend all day in bed.
To settle down, day nights and late nights don't get around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk.
Okay, living room is looking so much better. I feel like it's gotten darker since I started filming because it's gotten really rainy outside. But hopefully the lighting is still okay. So it's looking so much better and cleaner. I've just got the train tracks. I left those out because he spent ages yesterday building that and he built a little station and everything from his Legos. So I didn't want to ruin that for him. So that's still there. But yeah, everything else is tidied up. So I'm going to move into the kitchen. But before I do, I just wanted to show you a parcel that I just received. So let me take you upstairs to show you that.
One of us gotta say the had to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something.
Okay, so I just wanted to show you the parcel that I just got, and it is a huge advent calendar. It looks amazing. It's by The Body Shop, and they have kindly gifted this to me, and I am honestly so excited. I feel like a little child on Christmas Day. I'm so excited to open this in December. I might open one of them today to show you, but yeah, if you have been following me for a while, you probably know that I use The Body Shop quite a bit. I love their products and I buy them a lot. Like, I have repurchased some of them so many times, like I can't even remember. So I was pumped about this because I'm excited to try a few new products that I haven't tried before. Okay, so this is what the whole box looks like, and then you open it like this. And it's got the cutest things here at the top, like pop-up things. And then when you lift this up, these are all the products, and they are honestly like huge products, which I think is amazing for an advent calendar. Like, they're full-size products, and I'm so excited to see what's in each of these. And then it's also got these drawers. So there's this one, the 25. Oh, I'm excited to see what's in all of these. And also this one at the bottom. Like, I feel like these are such huge products. I'm really excited to open them. Let me see where number one is. I might give that a go. Oh, it's right here at the back. So I might just open this with you to have a quick look. Is that a bit cheeky? Yeah, I feel like their advent calendars are such amazing value. Like literally 25 full products. It would cost you so much more to get each of these individually. Okay guys, don't tell on me because I opened the first one, but I'm just gonna open this because I'm too excited. But this is number one, and it is Box of Hope and Wonder. Let's see what's inside. I'm gonna put it back in until December, but I'm too excited. So this, I can already smell what it looks like, and I haven't even opened it yet. It's avocado shower cream for dry skin, green and creamy. This smells so nice. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to try this. I'm just gonna put it back. But I've bought even this year and the previous years as well quite a few gifts from The Body Shop, like for other people, because they have so many amazing holiday gifts, like gift sets of such lovely products. The packaging looks lovely. Yeah, it's a really good place to get your holiday shopping done. Let me show you some of my favorite products that I already had from them. Okay, so I've brought a few products that I already have in my bathroom because I just love these so much. So the first one is the Body Shop Chamomile Cleansing Butter. I love using this to remove makeup. Just looks like this, and it's honestly amazing for removing makeup, like eye makeup, like even heavier makeup. It works perfectly and it leaves your skin feeling really, really nice. I also used to have the oil as well. I tried that too. I love both of them. And then I have these two Drops of Youth products by The Body Shop. So this one is the liquid peel. It's amazing to kind of make your skin feel really nice and cleansed and fresh. And then this is the Drops of Youth sleeping mask. It leaves your skin feeling so soft in the morning. So I love using these two together. And then I also have the vitamin E serum, which I use a lot. So yeah, so they're just really lovely products. And if you want to get an advent calendar, I think they still have them in stock, at least for now, but I know they go quite quick. I will link them in the description box below. Or if you want to get a gift set for somebody for the holiday, it's a really good place to shop for them. So that will be all linked in the description box for you. Okay, so while I was up here, I also made the bed, as you saw. So that's all done. I'm just gonna move into Victor's room and make his bed, and then I'm gonna move downstairs after that to do the kitchen.
I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Okay, so his bed is made now. You might notice it's a bit different in here. It's because we took out everything on this side. So we had a dresser right there with drawers, and then we also had a little bench. Now the little bench, we turned it around and made it just into a shelf like this, just to take up less floor space. We're kind of trying to change things a bit now that he's in school, because he needs a bit of an office space. So we're waiting for an Ikea parcel of his desk and everything like that, so I'm really excited for that. I'm going to make a video on it soon, so stay tuned for that. Just kind of the whole makeover of his room. And we moved the dresser with the drawers in here. So we weren't sure if it would fit, but we tried it and it actually does fit, and it's perfect in here. This is the Ikea column set of drawers, which is nice because it's a bit smaller than the mom ones, so it can fit inside a wardrobe like this. So we moved everything in here, and it's just perfect because this bottom bit of the wardrobe, it wasn't actually used, it was just kind of a dumping ground. So now it's nice that we have some drawers in here, and it also takes up like floor space in his room, so we can set up an office. Yeah, but I'll do a separate video on all of that and how we set everything up in here as well.
Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down new, I'm stripping down new, I'm stripping down new. This is not what we should be, start to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers, feel like we're far apart. I'm stripping down new, I'm stripping down new.
So I hope you have enjoyed today's cleaning video. I hope you've enjoyed coming along with me today. Don't forget to check out the body shop. It will all be linked in the description box. And yeah, hope you're having a lovely day so far, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.